Hello, grade 11s. Today, we join Lebu and Tandi as they try to understand the volume and usage of water.
Your call will be answered as soon as an operator is available.
Answer the damn thing, will you? Johannesburg Water. Yes. Good morning. Yeah, I want you to answer a few questions about water billing. Hold on. Well, that's what I've been doing. Okay. 6 kiloliters completely for free. Yes. Thank you very much. Good morning, madam.
Lebu.
I've got a few minutes to spare.
Only a few.
All right, yeah, got to talk to you. We were hanging around with the parents, and afterwards, the issue of water bills came up.
And what can you do about it?
Did you know that each and every household gets 6 kiloliters for free every month?
Yes.
I mean, 6 kiloliters is 6,000 liters. That sounds like more than enough to me.
No, it's actually not that much.
Huh?
Hang on a second. You see this cube? That liter can fill this cube.
Really? Oh, and it looks way too small. That's one.
Yeah, well, it's 10 by 10 by 10 centimeters, which is 1,000 cubic centimeters. Well, its capacity is exactly 1 liter.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. So that means if you want to calculate something's volume, you multiply the length by the width by the height.
That's right. It's this side by this side by this side. Then your answer is in cubic centimeters, or whatever your measuring unit is.
It's fun, yeah? Yeah, it looks so much more in the bottle.
Careful.
Which did you think held more water, the cubic container or the bottle? Well, Lebu poured the water from one to the other several times, and it still showed that they have the same volume. So it looks like 1 liter is the same as 1,000 cubic centimeters. Let's see if this makes sense. The volume of the cubic container is 10 centimeters along the length, times 10 centimeters on the width, times 10 centimeters on the height. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. When you multiply centimeters times centimeters times centimeters, your answer will be in centimeters cubed or cubic centimeters. So this shows that 1,000 cubic centimeters of volume is the same as 1 liter.
But now 6 kiloliters, that is 6,000 of these bottles. It sounds like a huge amount of water. You know, I'd really like to be able to see with my naked eyes how much 6 kiloliters is.
Great idea. Let's make a model quickly.
Why are you taking models? Until.
Don't be silly. A mathematical model. We'll construct the shape using real material, instead of talking about it or drawing it. You see, a model is very important in maths, especially if you can't visualize something. Oh dear. We're gonna need sticks or something that's 1 meter long.
I've got just the thing. I'll get them for you.
Great. Now I'm all inspired. Okay, Lebu, let's pretend that this is a 3-dimensional cubic meter. Okay. Should be 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. And there we go.
I can do the test, as a matter of fact. Let's do this. That's one. All right, fine.
Okay, I was almost there.
Yeah. And? Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
See? Uh-huh.
Okay, we have that covered. But we still need some help. please just ask Miss B if she can help us.
Oh, yeah, with pleasure. Miss B?
Hi.
Please come help us, please.
Okay. Thanks, Miss B. Okay, you hold that there and that other one there. Okay. Lebo, don't just stand there. Hold this corner here. Okay. Then I'll do that. Now, how many of those cubes will fit into this volume?
I think 400 or 500.
No, man, don't just take a wild guess. Think about it.
Okay. See, there is 10. That's it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. There. So that means we need 10 cubes this side and 10 cubes on the other side. And that gives us 10 multiplied by 10, that is 100. 100 liters is not even enough for the bath.
So far, Lebu has only calculated the number of cubes that fit into one layer. We need to fill up with more layers. How many layers of 100 cubes are needed?
Hang on, you're not done yet. What's the last thing you need to measure volume?
Yeah, man. To find volume, we need to multiply the length by the width by the height. So that means we have 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. And that gives us 1,000. So we need 1,000 liters in a meter cube.
That's it. Now you know. A kiloliter is the same as a cubic meter. Thanks, Miss B.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
It's easy to make an educated estimate if you have a few basic things like visualizing.
Oh, I know what you mean. Visualize kiloliters. And 6 is not that much for a whole month.
No, it's not. But you must watch your consumption. Hey, look. I've got a Joburg water brochure which talks about how much water to use and how much water is used in the toilets and so on and so on.
Speaking of which, I need to quickly rush in.
So, guess how many liters you've just used in the toilet?
Who say I flushed?
Sis, man.
Maybe 3 or more.
Wrong answer. You've just used between 10 and 12 liters.
I don't believe that. Jeez. So that means on my free water, I can only flush 500 times a month and 16 times a day for free.
Well, if that's all you do with your water, yes. But what about bathing, washing the dishes, and everything else you open your tap for? You must budget that water carefully. Luckily, in math literacy, that's exactly what we learn to do.
Thank you for joining us, grade 11s. Remember to look at the tasks for this section in the Working with Measurement task video. What a fun lesson that was. Goodbye.